Hello everyone, welcome to Fida Trade Academy. Today we're discussing the sharp sell-off across the cryptocurrency market and the reasons behind Bitcoin's recent crash. Bitcoin has fallen below major support levels, with the price dropping under the $70,000 mark and at times trading closer to the mid-$60,000 range. The decline has triggered widespread fear across the crypto market, resulting in billions of dollars in liquidations and heavy losses for leveraged traders. So what is causing this crash? The first major factor is continued outflows from Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. When investors pull money from these investment products, it creates selling pressure and weakens market sentiment. Recent reports show that ETF outflows have accelerated, contributing significantly to Bitcoin's decline. The second factor is a loss of confidence caused by large Bitcoin holders selling part of their positions. Markets reacted negatively after reports that Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, sold a portion of its Bitcoin holdings. Since the company has long been viewed as one of Bitcoin's strongest supporters, this move surprised many investors and increased bearish sentiment. The third factor is the massive liquidation of leveraged positions. When prices fall quickly, traders using high leverage are forced out of their positions. This creates a chain reaction where more selling leads to even more selling. Recent market data shows over $1 billion in liquidations as Bitcoin broke key support levels. Another reason is changing investor interest. While Bitcoin has struggled, global stock markets and artificial intelligence-related investments have continued attracting capital. Some analysts believe investors are rotating funds away from crypto and into high-growth AI opportunities. We are also seeing concerns related to global economic uncertainty and geopolitical tensions. Whenever uncertainty increases in financial markets, investors often reduce exposure to riskier assets. Now the big question is what happens next. Historically, Bitcoin has experienced multiple corrections during long-term growth cycles. Sharp declines often create fear, but they can also create opportunities for disciplined investors. However, nobody knows exactly where the bottom is. That's why professional traders focus on risk management rather than prediction. If Bitcoin can stabilize and reclaim important support levels, market confidence may gradually return. But if selling pressure continues, traders should prepare for further volatility in the days ahead. My advice is simple. Avoid emotional trading, manage your risk carefully, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, market crashes create fear, but they also create valuable lessons. Successful traders survive difficult markets by staying disciplined and focusing on long-term strategy. Thank you for watching Fida Trade Academy. If you found this update helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications for daily crypto market updates, trading education, and risk management insights. See you in the next video.